Hello, my name is Dolly Young and today we're going to have a look at the events section on Google+. This is a brand new section that allows your Google Plus profile to mesh more efficiently into your calendar. So if you click on the events section over the far left hand side of your Google Plus, you'll see the upcoming events first of all down the left hand side. On each of the events here, you can see a little bit of information including a title, the date, the place if it's there, and whether you are going or not. If you're the maker of this event, you can also invite other people into it. So click on the title to get more information. You'll see that up the very top is a cover photo. We have the title up top, whether I'm going or not here. You can check the availability in your own calendar. Click, and it will show you when this would be included in your calendar. Over the left hand side you have the times, the place, and underneath you have who created it, as well as a little bit more information if they've typed any in. Under that there's a place if there is an actual location being attached to this post, and you can get directions over the right hand side. You can hide this by clicking the little blue ribbon, and if you need it to fold back out, just click it again. Further down, you can say something about this event by clicking in the box. And also, if it's been enabled for this event, you can click on Add Photographs. You can choose it from your phone, upload, or your photos. Further down, you'll be told who's going and who's invited. Over the right hand side, you'll be able to invite more people if you are allowed to, and also be shown who's going, who's maybe, and who's not responded. If you look right up to the top of the page, you'll see that this particular event is public. You can add photos in here, you can share the event further, and there are more actions if you click this drop down box. In the event options, you can click to whether the guests can invite other people. You can also manage the guest list, as well as disable comments. Further down, you can edit the event if you need to, or delete it completely. It's good to note that in your settings, you'll be able to change some of the information, including notifications about events, whether you get emailed or sent straight to your phone. So let's go back to events. We can get there by either clicking on the events section over the far left hand side, or there's a handy little button up the top of the page. Over the far right hand side, you can create a new event, and also underneath you can plan your next hangout, find out more events that are happening, and also have a link to your Google Calendar. Underneath is some information on how to turn on party mode and what it does with an Android mobile app. So click to create events. You'll see that you have a cover photo comes up automatically. You can use these arrow buttons or click to change the theme. You can have featured animations, go into stationery, or go into your photos or upload your own. Next up, you can give your event a title and show the event options over the far right hand side. You can change whether the guests can invite other people or guests can add photos. And there's also advanced options down the bottom. You can change this to a Google Plus Hangout, make this an event on air, or show additional fields. When you click to show additional fields, you'll see that the form underneath changes, and it will show website URL, ticket seller URL, and YouTube URL. If you don't need these options, click on Show Additional Fields again. Click away from that box to come away from the drop-down menu. Underneath, we can choose the date that we want to set our event and the time that we need to start it at. If you need to add an end time, click on this link over the far right hand side, and then you can give a time and a date. It doesn't need to be the same day. So if you're running a week-long event, you can put that in. Down in location, you can choose a section. Let's make ours Edinburgh, United Kingdom, and then give details. You can invite names, circles, or email addresses, just like you would for any other post. But for now, I'll just send this to myself. You can use the Browse People section over the far right hand side. Then, when your event's ready, click on Invite. So there we have it. I've put up one new event. And if we go up to my notifications, you'll notice that notifications come up with a little image over the far right hand side. So when you click on it, it comes up with the short information about this event. You can click on the title to get the full information. Okay, so there's a super quick run through of the new event section. So what do you think? Tell me in the comments. I think it's going to make it a lot easier for people to plan real life events like conferences, hangouts in real life and photo walks. I think it's going to be a great plus for Google+. My name is Dolly Young and happy Google+ing.